Learning a new language is an exciting journey. Many people believe that learning English is only for young students, but that is not true. You can learn English at any age. Whether you are 18 or 80, it is never too late to start. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and learning it can open many doors for you. In this video, we will explain why it is never too late to learn English. We will also share some simple tips to help you begin your journey. Let's start. Why learn English? English is very useful for many reasons. Here are some of them. Global communication. English is spoken in over 100 countries. It is often called the global language because people use it to communicate across borders. Better job opportunities. Many companies prefer employees who can speak English. It can help you get a better job or even a promotion. Travel, made easy. When you travel to another country, knowing English helps you ask for directions, order food, and talk to new people. Access to information. Most websites, books, and videos are in English. Learning the language allows you to access a lot of knowledge. Confidence and personal growth. Learning English can make you feel proud of yourself. It boosts your confidence and helps you connect with people from different cultures. Is it really possible to learn English later in life? Yes, it is absolutely possible. Here are some reasons why. Your brain can learn anytime. Scientists say our brains can learn new things at any age. It might take a little longer compared to younger learners, but it is still possible. Life experience helps. Adults already know how to focus, set goals, and stay motivated. These skills are very helpful for learning. You know what you want. As an adult, you know why you want to learn English. This clear purpose can keep you motivated. Lots of resources available. There are many ways to learn English today, such as online courses, apps, books, and classes. You can choose what works best for you. Tips for learning English as an adult. Here are some easy tips to help you start learning English. 1. Set clear goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Do you want to improve your job skills, travel, or talk to new people? Having a clear goal will keep you motivated. 2. Start small. You don't have to learn everything at once. Begin with small steps, like learning 10 new words every day. Practice short sentences and basic grammar. 3. Use online resources. There are many free resources online. Websites like YouTube, Duolingo, and BBC Learning English offer lessons for beginners. These tools are easy to use and can make learning fun. 4. Practice speaking. Speaking is very important. Don't worry about making mistakes. It is part of learning. Talk to a friend, join a language group, or use apps like HelloTalk to practice. 5. Watch and listen. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English songs or podcasts. This helps you understand the language and improves your pronunciation. 6. Keep a notebook. Write down new words and phrases in a notebook. Review them regularly. Writing helps you remember better. 7. Join a class or group. If possible, join an English class or a conversation group. Learning with others can be fun and motivating. 8. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Don't give up if you find it difficult. Celebrate small successes and keep going. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Many adults face challenges when learning English. Here are some common problems and solutions. 1. Fear of making mistakes. Problem. You might feel shy or embarrassed about making mistakes. Solution. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. People will appreciate your effort to speak English. 2. Lack of time. Problem: you might feel too busy with work or family. Solution: use small pockets of time. For example, listen to an English podcast while cooking or commuting. 3. Difficulty understanding native speakers. Problem: native speakers might talk too fast. Solution: start with slower videos or recordings. Gradually increase the speed as you improve. 4. Forgetting vocabulary. Problem: you may forget new words quickly. Solution: use the words in sentences. Practice them every day to make them stick. Inspirational stories. Here are some stories of people who learned English later in life. Maria from Brazil. Maria started learning English at the age of 50. She used online lessons and practiced speaking with her grandchildren. Now she feels confident traveling to English-speaking countries. Ahmed from Egypt. Ahmed was 45 when he decided to learn English for his job. He joined an evening class and practiced daily. Within a year, he was able to give presentations in English. Ling from China. Ling began learning English at 60 to connect with her family living abroad. She started by watching English movies with subtitles. Today, she can have long conversations with her grandchildren. The benefits of learning English later in life. Learning English as an adult has many benefits. Mental exercise. Learning keeps your brain active and sharp. Building friendships. You can meet new people and make friends from different cultures. Feeling accomplished. Each new word or sentence you learn gives you a sense of achievement. Improved quality of life. English skills can help you enjoy travel, entertainment, and even day-to-day tasks more easily. Conclusion: it is never too late to learn English. Age is just a number, and anyone can start learning at any time. With clear goals, patience, and the right resources, you can make great progress. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. So, why wait? Start your English learning journey today.